Michelin MotoGP and Corsa R46 is almost the same, right? Alright mga kalog, so today ay pinuntahan natin yung isa sa mga dealer dito sa Indonesia ng Corsa tires. Halika mga kalogs, pasukin natin sa loob kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga Corsa tires meron sila dito sa Indonesia. Ito mismo sa Indonesia, yung factory ng Corsa. Diba? Antindi nun, tol. Ang lakas nun, diba? Tol, imaginein mo, tol.
Sa Indonesia tayo ngayon para puntahan yung Corsa, di ba?
Oo, diba? Tol, usually sa Pilipinas, yung Corsa natin, tol, ilan lang yung mga ganitong nakakarating. Pero dito, tol,
Kompleto,
look
no?
at this. Almost complete. Right?
From
Scooters,
underbone,
underbone,
hanggang sa big bikes.
big bikes. Look at this, tol. Where? Here, oh. This one is for motocross.
For motocross,
Yeah.
like for motor custom,
Motor custom.
Jeep style.
Okay. So, grabe ito. Ang kapit mo.
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike. Dirt bike. These are all for dirt bikes. They have big bikes.
This for use for Ninja.
This one for Ninja.
R93.
R93.
So, ito yung mga pambigas.
Here.
This is the best seller.
Yeah, this is for big motorbike.
For big motorbikes. Okay, here. So, what do you call this shop, sir?
Zilban.
Azil Ban. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, almost all of the tire here.
Yeah, almost scooter for like big motorbike like this.
Yes.
And for like Ninja.
Ninja. Okay.
For sport.
Yeah.
This for sport.
Okay, because in the Philippines, I'm using M5 NMAX. Yeah.
MX. For MX like this.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
We're using that one. Yeah. Okay, so there's a lot of sizes and
For scooter.
models for scooters. So, ayan o, ang dami. So, sir, this Corsa is originally made in
Indonesia.
Indonesia. That's it. So, this is actually a sister company of
Yes.
Michelin, right? Right? So, they have Michelin tires
For scooter.
for scooters and big bikes, right? Yeah. So, that's why they have a lot of Corsa here and Michelin there. They're selling it here, complete. Alright. Okay, so this one is Michelin Pilot MotoGP and this one is Corsa. Which one? Corsa
2080.
Air
46.
46 R46. Michelin and Michelin MotoGP and Corsa R46 is almost the same, right? Because they have soft compound and
this is good for cornering, for sport. Like for race,
For
it's
track,
very-
for track.
it's very
Yeah,
good.
it's very
This
good.
is best seller in here.
okay.
Scooter.
Okay. So we still have this in Philippines. Okay. Okay. So mga kalogs, meron na rin tayong ganito which is R46 in our country. Yan. Almost the same specs. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you, sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Adam.
Adam. All right. My name is Jet, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much, sir.